Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 4 Mathematics Olympiad. And in class 4 Mathematics Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to start a new chapter, that is money. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question, Mono went to purchase books and gave money and gave following money to cashier: 4 coins of rupees 2, 2 notes of rupees 20, 3 notes of rupees 100. If the price of books were rupees 326, how much change will she get back? Option A, rupees 20, B, rupees 22, C, rupees 25, D, rupees 28. So, as per the question, what Manu went to purchase books and gave following money to the cashier: 4 coins of rupees 2, okay, 2 notes of rupees 20, 3 notes of rupees 100, right? So 4 coins of rupees 2, that is 4 into 2, plus 2 notes of rupees 20, 2 into 20, plus 3 notes of rupees 100, 3 into 100. So that is equal to 8 plus 40 plus 300. So it is equal to 348 rupees, right? So this is the total amount of money which Mono gave to the cashier. Next is the price of the books were rupees 326. How much change will she get back? So how much change will she get back? That is rupees 348 minus rupees 326. So that is equal to rupees 22. Got it? And it is present in option B. That's why the correct answer is option B. Right? Coming to the next question. Simran bought 6 chocolates. All the chocolates were of the same price. The total cost was rupees 88.50 paisa. How much money did each chocolate cost? Option A, 14 rupees. B, 14 rupees 5 paisa. C, 14 rupees 50 paisa. D, 14 rupees 75 paisa. Sorry. So as per the question, Simran bought 6 chocolates and all the chocolates were of the same price. The total cost was rupees 88.50 paisa. And we have to find how much money did each chocolate cost. So cost of 6 chocolates, it is rupees 88.50 paisa. So we have to find the cost of each chocolate. So cost of each chocolate, how will we find out? 88.50 divided by 6, and that is equal to 14.75. That means 14 rupees and 75 paisa. Okay, and it is present in option D. That's why the correct answer is option D. Got it, everyone? Coming to the next question. Identify the total value of the combination of money rupees 5, rupees 10, rupees 20, rupees 50, rupees 500, 50 paisa, 25 paisa. Okay. Options are A, rupees 600, 25 paisa. B, rupees 550, 75 paisa. C, rupees 480, 50 paisa. D, rupees 585, 75 paisa. So we have to find the total value of the rupees 5, 10, 20, 50, 500, 50 paisa and 25 paisa. Right? So if we consider the rupees, that will be 5 plus 10 plus 20 plus 50 plus 500. Okay. So here the total will be that is 585 rupees, and also some paisas are there, right? What is the paisa? 50 paisa plus 25 paisa, that is equal to 75 paisa. So rupees 585 plus 75 paisa, it will be how much? It will be 585 rupees 75 paisa. Okay, and it is present in option D. That's why the correct answer is option D. Got it? Coming to the next question. Raghu earned rupees 5 every day during September. How much money did he earn in the whole month? Option A rupees 200, B rupees 180, C rupees 150, D rupees 70. So in the question it is given Raghu earned rupees 5 every day during September. Okay, you know in the September month 30 days are there. Yes? Okay. And we have to find out how much money did he earn in the whole month. So, in one day, Raghu is earning rupees 5. So, 30 days are there in the September. So, in 30 days, he will earn rupees 5 into 30, that is equal to rupees 150. Okay, and it is present in option C. That's why the correct answer is option C, rupees 150. Got it, everyone? Coming to the next question. In May, Arpita earned rupees 10 every day for helping her mother in doing household chores. She spent rupees 95. How much she is left with? Option A rupees 215, B rupees 180, C rupees 200, D rupees 310. So in the month of May, Arpita earned rupees 10 every day for helping her mother. Okay, and she spent rupees 95. How much she is left with? Okay, so every day, that means in one day she is earning rupees 10. Okay, and in the month of May, you know, in the month of May 31 days are there, right? So if one day she is earning rupees 10, then in 31 days she will earn rupees 31 into 10, that is rupees 310. Now she has spent rupees 95. Okay, so how much she is left with? She is left with, that is equal to 310 rupees minus 95 rupees, that is equal to rupees 250. Okay, and where it is present? It is present in option A. Got it, everyone? Coming to the next question. Golu went to purchase cricket kit and gave to cashier 2 coins of rupees 5, 4 notes of rupees 10, 3 notes of rupees 50 and 2 notes of rupees 500. If the price of cricket kit was rupees 1162, the change that he would have got back is option A rupees 38, B rupees 15, C rupees 30, D rupees 32. So Golu went to purchase the kit, and what amount of money he has given? 2 coins of rupees 5, that is 2 into 5 plus 4 notes of rupees 10, that is 4 into 10 plus 3 notes of rupees 50 is 3 into 50 plus 2 notes of rupees 500, that is 2 into 500. Okay, so it will be 10 plus 40 plus 150 plus 1000. Okay, so when we will add it, it is 1200 rupees. Okay, 1200 rupees. Now the price of the cricket kit, it was rupees 1162. Okay, what change he would have got back? That will be rupees 1200 minus, okay, let me write it, rupees 1200 minus rupees 1162, and that is equal to if we calculate it, it will be 38 rupees. Okay, and where it is present? It is present in option A. Got it, everyone? So coming to the next question. Now consider the prices of these items below to answer question. Apple rupees 180 per kg, pen rupees 8 per kg, rupees 8 per piece, eraser rupees 5 for 2 erasers, chocolates rupees 15 for 3 chocolates. Ankit wants to buy half kg apples and 1 chocolate. The total amount he needs to pay is option A rupees 85, B rupees 95, C rupees 90, D rupees 105. So the prices are given here. Ankit wants to buy half kg apples and 1 chocolate. Okay. So we know for apple 1 kg the cost is rupees 180. So Ankit wants to buy half kg. Okay, so for half kg it will be 180 into half, that is equal to rupees 90. Okay, now for one chocolate, where is chocolate? Yes, rupees 15 for 3 chocolate. And if 3 chocolates, 3 chocolates is rupees 15. So for one chocolate it will be 15 divided by 3, that is equal to rupees 5. So for one chocolate rupees 5 and half kg of apple rupees 90. So the total amount he needs to pay, the total amount is equal to rupees 90 plus rupees 5, that is equal to rupees 95. And where it is present, that is in option B. So correct answer is option B, that is rupees 95. Got it? Okay, coming to the next question. Shraddha and Subhra are two friends and one day they decided to go to shopping together. Shraddha had rupees 1500 and Subhra had rupees 2000 with them. Then Shraddha purchased shoes for rupees 550 and a skirt for rupees 275 and movie DVD for rupees 50. Subhra purchased top for rupees 250 and a bag for rupees 480, a book for rupees 115 and a tennis racket for rupees 500. What is the total money spent by Shraddha and Subhra together in shopping? Okay, so it seems like they means they have done a lot of shopping, right? Yes. And the options are A rupees 2220, B rupees 2170, C rupees 1720, D rupees 880. Okay, so yes, for Shraddha, okay, let us write for Shraddha purchased shoes of rupees 550. Okay, then skirt for rupees 275 and movie DVD for rupees 50. And for uh, just a minute, yes, and for Subhra, top 250, bag 480, book 115, tennis racket 500. So it is 250 plus 480 plus 115 plus 500. And we have to find the total money spent by Shraddha and Subhra together in shopping. So we have to add all of them. Okay. So when we will add all of them, then what will happen? For Shraddha, it is rupees 875 and for Subhra, that is rupees 1345. And when we add the total amount, that will be total amount, that is equal to rupees 875 plus rupees 1345 and that will be rupees 2220. Okay, so correct answer is option A, that is rupees 2220. Coming to the next question, consider the prices of these items below to answer the questions. So apple, that is rupees 180 per kg, pen rupees 8 per kg, eraser rupees 5 for 2 erasers, chocolates rupees 15 for 3 chocolates. If Bunny wants to buy a 1 pen and 3 eraser, how much he needs to pay? Option A rupees 13, B rupees 15, C rupees 15 50 paisa, D rupees 16.25. Okay, so Bunny wants to buy 1 pen and 3 eraser. For 1 pen, yes, rupees 8 per piece. So for 1 pen it is rupees 8 and 3 erasers here. For 2 erasers it is rupees 5. For one eraser, it will be rupees 5 divided by 2 equal to rupees 2 rupees 50 paise. Okay, and he has to buy 3 erasers. Okay, so for 3 erasers, it is rupees 2 50 paisa into 3. That is 7 rupees and 50 paisa. And we have to add, right? How much he need to pay? We just have to add the whole thing. When we add one pen, that is rupees 8, and 3 erasers, that is rupees 7.50. So total amount, that is equal to 8 rupees plus 7 rupees 50 paisa, that is rupees 15 and 50 paisa, and it is present in option C. Got it? Yes. Coming to the next question, match the following. Okay, here we have to match the following. List 1 and list 2 are there, right? So for A, rupees 5 rupees 50 paisa plus 25 paisa. 5 50 plus 25, that will be 575. Okay, so A, it is 2 rupees. In B, rupees 575 paisa minus 50 paisa, it is 5 rupees 25 paisa, so B is 1. Then for C, 5 rupees 25 paisa plus 75 paisa, it is 6, that is 3. Coming to D, 5 rupees 75 paisa plus 10 paisa, that is 5 rupees 85 paisa, that is 5. And E, 5 rupees 90 paisa minus 10 paisa, that is 5 rupees 80 paisa, that is 4. A2, B1, C3, D5, E4. Yes, where it is present? Yes, can you find out? Okay, so it is present in option D. Got it, everyone? Yes. So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye, everyone.